Hi guys, I'm really excited today because I just received my MX Master 3 mouse from the postman. I couldn't wait any longer. I'm currently using an MX Master 1 mouse, which at the time of release was the best mouse out there. And I strongly believe the MX Master 3 mouse will be way better. And we at MYI Business Solutions, we believe in having the best tools to make our jobs easy, to allow us enjoy our jobs while we are meeting client requirements in a timely manner. So if we are going to do a quick unboxing today, and if you enjoy what you see, or if you like what you see, or if you have any questions, or just subscribe to our channel and like us. And by the way, we don't get paid by Logitech or any other company, so just support us by subscribing to our channel, and we would appreciate your business. Thank you very much. Finally, that looks great. It looks so modern. Right, let's see. Let's open it now. Okay, so yeah, the MX Master 3, can see the MX Master 3. Logitech MX Master, the best mouse. Whoa. That looks lovely. It's absolutely gorgeous. The build quality is really good. Looks beautiful. And it matches so well with my Surface, Microsoft Surface ergonomic keyboard. Can't wait to try it out. So it comes with a receiver which you can use, and it looks so lovely, so awesome. Can't wait to try it out. I'll just take this out so that you guys can have a look. Yeah, quite familiar territory. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, the scroll wheel looks so lovely. Yeah, can't wait to try it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.